What's up guys, Dakota Perez here. I know that the format is slightly different than previous videos, so I'll get into that later in the video, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can bleach dye a piece of clothing. It is one of my favorite ways of sort of adding some little spark to a piece of garment that you have that you want to sort of make it a little bit more funky, a little bit more cool. It's a cool summer look and it's really easy to do. So what you're going to need is some very simple supplies. You're going to need bleach, the piece of garment that you're bleach dyeing, some string or some rubber bands, and then preferably a bucket, but you can also use a sink or a tub or something like that. So the first step of what you need to do is you need to figure out what kind of design you're going to be bleaching into your garment. Now, the methods of different patterns that we're using is very similar to tie-dyeing. So if you want to look up different methods of tie-dyeing patterns, then you can go ahead and follow that. But what I'm doing is a classic spiral design. What you do is you just sort of pinch the shirt in the middle of it, twist it up, and then apply rubber bands around it, and it sort of gives that spiraling, out of control look in the end. So that's the method I'll be using. I'm using a Trash Ad t-shirt. If you guys want to purchase that, it's available at trashad.com. Link down below. And I prefer to use black. You can use any color and bleach dye it. The only color that you couldn't bleach dye is white, but I think that black turns out the best. I haven't experimented too much with any other colors, but that is why I chose to do the Trash Ad shirt, because it's a black shirt, it's 100% cotton. It's also a heavyweight cotton. You have to kind of be careful with how much bleach you're using and the garments that you're bleaching, because if you leave it in the solution for too long, it can corrode and sort of burn away the clothing. So you need to watch out for that. The next step that you need to do is get your bucket or tub or whatever, and you need to add the bleach. I like to use about a cup or two of bleach, and then I dilute that with water. At least equal parts water, if not twice or 3 times as much water. Definitely enough that you want to be able to submerge your garment into the bucket or the tub or whatever. Depending on how diluted your solution is, that will determine how long you're going to leave your garment into the soak of bleach and water. I like to leave it in about 10-15 minutes, but just keep an eye on it and you'll start to see the colors change, and then once you've seen it change as much as you like, you can take it out. Now the final steps are throw it into the washing machine and then let it hang dry or let it tumble dry on low, and then voila! You have a cool bleached shirt or shorts or whatever you decided to bleach, and it's an easy way to spice up a plain piece of clothing and also make your garment look very, very cool. There's a lot of different things that you could do with bleach as well. You could also put it in a spray bottle or a little empty like ketchup or mustard thing, and you can experiment with where exactly you're spraying the bleach onto the garment. I like to do the soaking method, but for other types of dyeing patterns, you can try out different ways of applying it. So I recommend that you guys try this out on your pieces of clothing. It's super simple, super fun, and it's also combinable with tie-dye. If you start to bleach out parts of the fabric and it becomes really light, you can start throwing in colors and adding color to that, and there are some really cool black tie-dye shirts out there that I've seen. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video and learned something new. The reason why I have this format instead of what I had previously been filming in is because I actually wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be making videos on the Trash Hat YouTube channel. Trash Hat is the film company that I work with my friend Lucas, and we're going to be uploading a lot of filmmaking videos and videos pertaining to our process of making films and a lot of things along those lines. So if you're interested in filmmaking or art or entrepreneurship, then I recommend you guys go over there and subscribe to that channel and check out the videos that I will be releasing on there. Our podcast is also going to be going out on there instead of the podcast channel. And because of that, I want to be able to focus on these videos and make them really good, and I'm going to stop making videos on this channel, which it is kind of sad, but I have said everything that I need to say in the techwear space, so I think that everything that I have available now on my channel is a good amount of things that I wanted to talk about, and I'm going to leave them up for you guys to continue to rewatch or for new people to discover. So I appreciate all of the support so far. I just think that this endeavor on the Trash Hat channel will benefit me more because I'm more interested in making it, and I will be able to make higher quality videos than what I've been making here. So I hope you guys understand that, and come and check out the videos that I'll be making on the Trash Hat channel. That'll be really, really dope. So if this is goodbye, then farewell to you, and thank you for watching my videos. But if you want to keep watching the Trash Hat ones, and Awesome. Thanks. I appreciate you. Yeah, thanks for everything so far, guys. I will still be using my Instagram for techwear fits and things like that. I'm going to try to refine the photos that I'll be releasing and try to release some sort of techwear content still. I just don't think that there's much more I can add to the discussion. But yeah, thanks for everything, guys. And as always, stay Gucci.